Apache Hadoop is a collection of open-source software utilities that facilitates using a network of many computers to solve problems involving massive amounts of data and computation. Inspired by Google's MapReduce and Google File System (GFS), two intelligent gentlemen named Doug Cutting and Mike Caffarella aimed to create a scalable and fault-tolerant platform for handling massive amounts of data. The project was named after Doug Cutting's son's toy elephant, and it became an Apache Software Foundation project in 2006. The Apache Hadoop was written in Java. Hadoop consists of two main components: the Hadoop Distributed File System (HDFS) for storage and the MapReduce programming model for processing. It provides a software framework for distributed storage and processing of big data using the MapReduce programming model. Hadoop was originally designed for computer clusters built from commodity hardware, which is still in common use. It has since also found use on clusters of higher-end hardware. All the modules in Hadoop are designed with a fundamental assumption that hardware failures are common occurrences and should be automatically handled by the framework. Hadoop processes files by splitting files into large blocks, and then it distributes them across nodes in a cluster. Let's talk about a brief description of modules in Hadoop framework. The base Apache Hadoop framework is composed of the following modules. First, Hadoop Common contains libraries and utilities needed by other Hadoop modules. Second, Hadoop Distributed File System (HDFS), a distributed file system that stores data on commodity machines, providing very high aggregate bandwidth across the cluster. Third, Hadoopian, introduced in 2012, is a platform responsible for managing computing resources in clusters and using them for scheduling users' applications. Fourth, Hadoop MapReduce, an implementation of the MapReduce programming model for large-scale data processing. Fifth, Hadoop Ozone, introduced in 2020, an object store for Hadoop. If you are thinking of becoming a data analyst and any profession in the data science field, you have to learn Apache Hadoop. Okay, let's end this video. Keep learning and keep growing, and hit the subscribe button if you like this video. Bye bye.